Get in there. Get in there. Oh. Well, perfect timing. Let's play some more Walkabout Mini Golf. Want to sound good to you? Okay, last time I played Cherry Blossom, I got 11 under. Pretty good. Today, Seagull Stacks. Scored a beat, minus 14, but I'm going to be going as fast as I possibly can. Unfortunately, I can't go too fast because you have to wait till the ball stops rolling before you can hit again. Kind of dumb. But whatever. Let's pick our stuff. Not feeling the bird today. Let's go with something else. Look at this guy. Oh, hey there, traveler. Let's do this one. What's a good ball here? What does the club look like? Let's match the club. Let's do a little Goldie. Alright, let's go. Oh, it feels good to be back. Look at the view. What? Okay. Seagull Stacks is pretty chill. Honestly, one of my favorite courses. It's pretty relaxed vibes. I don't know, dude. Feels like I should be wearing a kilt, playing bagpipes. I love feeling like that. Oh, you could just get lost here for hours, just stare off into the sunset. Look at this. If I remember correctly, it's not that hard, but I'm gonna not really spend any time on the shots, so hopefully I don't do too bad. And the music too, I mean, nothing gets better than that. Love crossing a bridge over the rapids. Alright, let's go. Well, off to a bad start, but it's okay. Oh, alright, let's go. Okay, no time to think about it. Give me something good. Well, that's not good. Give me something good this time. Nice lined up. Okay, par 3, let's get par here. Just go ahead and just get in there. Nice. Alright. Nice. Okay, par 3, let's get a birdie here, boys. Love it. Okay. What? It's a par 4. What? What? Okay, count it. Give me a good bounce. Oh, nah. Okay, par 2. Stupid. 2 under on 6, not too bad. What the? What in the world? Having the worst bounces of my life this game. What? Alright, let's go back this way. Still have some time. Okay, give me a good lineup. Give me a good lineup. Oh! Can I get par here? Nah, that's okay. That's okay. Alright, whatever. 1 under on 7. What the? Let's just go the safe route. Dude! What the heck? What in the, I mean, what in the world? Okay. Alright, let's get par here. Get in there. Well, whatever. I'll take it. Okay, I don't want to go off the edge. 1 under on 8. Oh, I'm leaving myself a long putt. Let's make it, though. Let's give the people what they want. Get in there. Nah. You know what? We're just having fun. It's okay. No need to get a little upset here. 1 under, hole 9. Whoa, let's go this way. Okay. Oh, thank you. Listen, I'm just a normal guy. Okay, nothing too crazy. 3 under on 10. Please don't go in the water. I'm not interested in swimming today. Nice. Oh, that's actually not good at all. That sucks. Dude, come on. Okay. Nice and easy this time. Don't... What a waste of a hole-in-one last hole. Let's make par here. Wait, actually, I'm already one over. That sucks real bad. Go ahead and get in there. Listen, I'm playing bad today. Okay. Well, whatever. Even par, hole 11. Let's go ahead and make it through these little rocks here. Nice. Par 3. Let's birdie this. Just get... Nice. Alright. Thanks. Appreciate it. Should I bounce the guy? Don't go off, please. I am not having the best luck today. Leave myself a medium-sized putt. Should I sink it, you think? Maybe I'll leave it short, just because. Could be worse. Whatever. Okay, even par, hole 13. Let's go here. Let's see what we're working with. Okay, not a bad lineup. Let's make that little hole on the side there. Nice. Oh! Oh, the birds flying. The swells of the music, too. It's just beautiful. 1 under, hole 14. Which side should I do? Doesn't matter. Don't have time. Okay. Okay. Alright. Should I sink this? I feel like I'll just drain this, I guess, if I have to. I keep leaving myself short today. Martin short. Okay, time to catch up. Where am I supposed to go here? Anywhere but there, I guess. Am I gonna have a line? Par 5? Let's see if we can catch up a little bit. Dude! The one little corner. This is so annoying, actually. Okay, let's see if we can get it in here. Fine. Alright, should I hole in one? Come on back, baby. Okay, give me a birdie. Okay. Hole 17, 1 under. Pretty much just have to drain these next 2 shots, which is not going to happen, but... Okay, let's get a birdie. That's not too bad. Alright, what the heck? What in the world? Okay. Actually, one of the worst placements I could have possibly hoped for. Could still get in. Eagle? No. I'm actually fuming right now. Am I even gonna... It's not good. Not a good round. It might be the worst one. Worst one of the series for sure. 2 under, dude. This one was bad. There was another one I went like 3 over, right? Whatever. That sucks. It was still fun though. Definitely gonna have to try that again. Go for it, try it, beat it, do faster, do better. Whoa. Whoa. Alright, well, I'll play the next courses as fast as I can. This needs to not happen again. I'm actually ashamed. This is all get out. Bad. 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 Real bad. Bad. So, whatever. Well, that's it. Bye.